Hi guys, welcome to Manwar Education. In this video we will discuss preparation right from 12th standard for Maharashtra Law CET 5 years. Okay, so guys आपके 12th standard के classes जो है वो start हो गए रहेंगे already and now you have full year to prepare for 12th standard board as well as for law CET entrance examination. Guys, this is the right time to prepare for law entrance as well as your 12th standard board examination. If you start early for law CET examination preparation, then you have very high chances to get admission in top law colleges and to pursue law from top colleges. So in this video we will discuss how you should start your preparation, what are the strategies are there for preparation of Maharashtra Law CET examination. So all this thing we will discuss. Before we proceed, we have launched the batches for Maharashtra Law CET 3 years, 5 years, CLAT, DU LLB, BHU Law, SLET, ALET and other law entrance examination for year 2022 and 23. So in this batches you will get live classes, books, shortcut trick, doubt classes, recorded videos will be there, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be made where all the queries of yours will be solved by our faculties, 10,000 plus question for the practice purpose and mentorship by our exam mentors. So what are you waiting guys? Book your seat now. Call on 8828581454 or you can visit to our website manwarradio.com/law entrance. Now guys, let us discuss points for Maharashtra Law CET 5 years exam preparation. Very first is syllabus and paper pattern. This is an important thing. After that, strategy for Maharashtra Law CET exam preparation. After that, we will discuss study material, mock test and revision. After this we will discuss about motivation. Yes, many of the time you feel board exam का भी pressure है and entrance भी prepare करना है. At that time you feel low, you feel alone. That time you need motivation. So what you can do for motivation we will discuss in this. After that, top law colleges in Maharashtra. So these all points we will discuss one by one. So let us start with syllabus and paper pattern for Maharashtra Law CET 5 years exam. So very first, the section include is first is legal aptitude and legal reasoning, which will carry 40 question. It will be of 40 marks. After that, general knowledge with current affairs, they will have 30 question and maximum marks is 30. After that, logical and analytical reasoning, they have 40 question and maximum marks is 40. After that, English is there. It will carry 30 question and in this maximum marks is 30. And after that, mathematical aptitude, it will have 10 question and maximum marks is 10. So total is 150 question and it will be of 150 marks. So total question will be 150 and total time is 120 minutes. That means 2 hours. The exam mode will be online CBT mode. So this is all about syllabus as well as paper pattern of your examination. Now we will discuss about strategy for Maharashtra Law CET 5 years exam preparation. In this we will see what are the things you need to do for the exam preparation. So very first, understand the syllabus. Complete understanding of syllabus is required. आपको इंग्लिश में क्या पूछा जाएगा, जीके में क्या पूछा जाएगा, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग में क्या पूछा जाएगा, मैथ्स में क्या पूछा जाएगा. So these all things you should aware. So complete understanding of syllabus is very important. Now after this, timetable. Every individual has a different approach of learning. Some individual may study in the night, some individual may study in the daytime. So according to your study time, you make your timetable and वो timetable में आपको कौन से section को कितना time देना है, that is also to be divided and parallelly आपको 12th standard को भी time देना है. So this is how you need to make your timetable. After this, you can start for the preparation. आपने syllabus समझ लिया, आपका टाइम टेबल आ गया. Now you can start for the exam preparation. Now study material and mock test, the things which are required for exam preparation. So in this, 3 things are very important. Very first, books and study material. Right books, right guidance is very important to clear any particular entrance exam. So over here also, right study material is very important. After this, mock test. So with mock test, you will come to know which are the stronger section of yours, which are the weaker sections of yours. You will learn about time management, that in which section, how much time it is to be given. You will be confident about exam. You will be thorough with exam paper pattern. So this is how mock test will improve your exam preparation. After this, revision is also very important, because if you study full year and if you don't revise, then आप चीज़ें भूल सकते हो. So इसके लिए revision is very important. Revision is key. Now after this, continuous motivation is required. Already आपको बोर्ड का प्रेशर होगा, as well as after you need to prepare for exam. So continuous motivation is very important. We at Manoeuvre, we will provide you mentorship, who will guide you, who will motivate you, who will help you throughout your preparation, so that you can clear your exam. Now after this, top law colleges in Maharashtra for law 5 years. So these are the top law colleges. First is GLC Mumbai, ILS Pune, Praveen Gandhi College of Law, University of Mumbai Law Academy, Rizvi Law College, and many more law colleges are there, but these are top law colleges. Now if you want to prepare for law entrance for 2022 and 23, so you can join to our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number. Our team will help you. If you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. Guys, we have also launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific for law entrance examination. Link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box. So do check the description box. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.